Hi everybody, in this video I am going to do an unboxing and a review for the Roav by Anker, and this is DashCam A1. Supposedly it has a Sony XMR sensor. I can't wait to test this because Anker is one of my favorite brands. They usually make good stuff. Just to show you a little more info, this is supposedly 145 degrees wide angle lens. Nice. Oh, it has almost the same connector as the Yi. I'm going to check to see if they match. Power button, mini SD card here. Micro USB on top, and ventilation holes so that there's some circulation. You know, this is the problem with these cameras. They're in the car and they get really hot, especially in warm places, and they just die. So good ventilation is really a good thing. Okay, so they include a suction. Whoa. Good thing I've caught this. They included a suction cup, and I'm gonna check how it works. It works just by twisting. It looks like a good quality one too. I'm so glad that they're all moving to this type of connector. The only thing is I'm not sure why they didn't put a 90-degree angle connector on this part. This really doesn't matter. This matters more. Okay. And they included a single USB charger that connects to the cigarette lighter. Now, again, I said that in every video. If they include one of these, at least make it one that has two. And I think at this point they shouldn't include it, but they should let you know in the product description that you should have a USB port to use it. Everybody has a USB port at this point. And they actually include a little plastic thingy to be able to tuck the cable in the trim of the car. So I'm going to check it out. I'm going to check all of its abilities, and I'm going to report back. I'm going to show you how it mounts in the car as well. So that's next. All right, so I wanted to show you how the Roav looks like from outside. You know, there's a lot of reflection here. It's pretty much impossible to see right now. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to show you from the inside of the car. All right, so one thing about the Roav is that it uses a suction cup, and this suction cup is really good stuff. Now, I would suggest you put some moisture on the suction cup before putting it on the windshield. It just helps it a lot. And one thing that I noticed about this specific dash cam is that it remains on for about 60 seconds after you turn off your car or the power supply. All right, so I wanted to show you the menu for this dash cam, and you get to the menu from clicking the OK button, and this lets you select the recording quality. I would suggest you just put it at 1080p. I'm not sure even why they have the lower resolution. This is how long the loop lasts. This one is for sensitivity, so if you're in an accident, it will actually put a mark on the recording not to overwrite it. Parking collision detection. This actually, I believe, only works if you have power supply connected to it at all times. Wi-Fi, so you can access the recordings from your phone. Time, language, LCD off. This lets you select how long it takes before the LCD turns off. If you put it on off, it just stays on. It's actually kind of counterintuitive. If it makes the sound when it starts, default, format the card, watermark, and the frequency of your area. Right now I'm outside the United States in a rental, and the frequency here is 50 Hertz for the electricity. So this would prevent flicker. Now I have to say, the quality of the video is pretty nice. I like it. You be the judge. I'm going to post some samples right after this section. And I'd like to suggest that you please thumb up if you like this video, thumb down if you hate it, but put in your comment why you didn't like it. Please subscribe if you want to see future videos. Enjoy the samples, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.
התחום הפוליטי שלנו יואב קרקובסקי בעקבות ההתייעצויות שנמשכות בקריה שביעים את ראש הממשלה שר הביטחון שמע ההחלטות על בעיקר התמונה הזאת והכתובות באו גם תקיפות, גם נתקפות של טילי ימומים בכיוונם של מטוסי חיל האוויר